Get ready, because DJI seems ready to redefine what's possible with the long-awaited Osmo Pocket 4. While we're still waiting for an official announcement, the leaks and rumors have already set the internet on fire. And honestly, if even half of these features turn out to be true, we might be looking at one of the biggest upgrades in portable camera history. So, what exactly makes the DJI Pocket 4 the hottest topic in the world of compact cameras? Let's dive deep into the most anticipated features and see what all the hype is about. One of the most noticeable changes we might see in the DJI Pocket 4 is a slightly larger frame, tipping the scales at around 190 grams. Now, that might not seem like a huge difference, but the reason behind it makes total sense. DJI is reportedly making room for a much bigger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, a notable jump from the Pocket 3's 2-inch display. This upgrade is more than just a size increase. It could make a world of difference in usability. For starters, the rumored 480 by 800 resolution with 800 nits of brightness means crystal clear visibility, even under direct sunlight. If you've ever struggled to see your screen while filming outdoors, you'll know how important this is. With this upgrade, you won't have to squint or guess whether your shot is framed correctly. The added rotation capability also means more flexibility in shooting angles, making it easier to capture both high and low angle shots without awkwardly repositioning yourself. But that's not all. The Pocket 4 is expected to feature improved ergonomics, with a more textured grip and better button placement. If you've ever spent long hours filming, you know how essential comfort is. This new design should make holding and operating the Pocket 4 much easier, especially for vloggers who need to shoot on the go. If there's one feature that could take the Pocket 4 to a whole new level, it's the rumored inclusion of a 1-inch CMOS sensor. This would be a significant jump in image quality, especially when paired with the expected 20mm f2.0 lens. A larger sensor means better light capture, improved low light performance, and a higher dynamic range, allowing for richer colors and more detail in both highlights and shadows. And let's talk about ISO. The Pocket 4 is rumored to support an ISO range of 50 to 6400 for video, but for stills, it could go as high as 16,000. That means incredible flexibility in various lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting at night, in a dimly lit indoor setting, or under bright sunlight, your footage should remain sharp and detailed. This upgrade alone could make the Pocket 4 a must-have for creators who want professional-grade quality in a pocket-sized camera. Color grading enthusiasts, get ready. Because if the rumors are true, the Pocket 4 could come with 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording. This is a huge deal for anyone serious about post-production. Why? Because more color depth means more data to work with, leading to smoother gradients, richer hues, and less banding in your footage. With D-Log-M, you'll be able to retain more detail in highlights and shadows, allowing for a more cinematic look when color grading. And let's not forget HDR recording, which will ensure that your footage looks vibrant and true to life, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or just someone who loves high-quality visuals, these features could make a significant difference in the final output. Slow motion lovers, this one's for you! The DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to support 4K recording at an incredible 240 frames per second. That's double the slow motion capability of the Pocket 3, and it opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities. Imagine capturing action sequences, nature shots, or even everyday moments in ultra-smooth slow motion with stunning detail. The combination of a 1-inch sensor and high frame rates means sharper images, improved performance in low light, and a wider dynamic range. Whether you're shooting sports, travel vlogs, or cinematic sequences, this feature could add an entirely new level of professionalism to your content. Autofocus has been a mixed bag in past Pocket cameras, but DJI seems to be fixing that with phase detection autofocus and eye tracking. This means the camera can quickly and accurately lock onto your subject, whether it's a fast-moving person or an energetic pet. For vloggers, this could be a total game changer. Imagine walking through a bustling city or moving from one frame to another without worrying about focus hunting. It's all going to be smooth and precise. Pair that new autofocus system with Active Track 7.0, and you've got an unbeatable tracking system that could redefine how we capture movement. DJI is reportedly refining the way the camera follows a subject, making it more precise and intelligent than ever before. Imagine being able to track people, pets, and even fast-moving objects with pinpoint accuracy, without worrying about sudden focus shifts or losing your subject mid-shot. Whether you're filming a high-speed cycling session, chasing your pet around the park, or simply walking through a bustling city while vlogging, the Pocket 4 could ensure that you stay sharp and perfectly framed at all times. And it doesn't stop there. Rumors suggest that DJI is improving subject recognition with more advanced AI-powered tracking. This means that not only will the camera be able to follow you effortlessly, but it might also adapt to different shooting conditions, automatically adjusting focus and exposure for the best possible results. If you're someone who creates dynamic, fast-paced content, this could be a massive upgrade. No more worrying about blurred faces or inconsistent focus. Active Track 7.0 could allow you to focus entirely on your content, while the Pocket 4 handles the technical side of things. DJI is expected to introduce a new, more powerful processor in the Pocket 4. A faster, more efficient chip means the camera can handle higher data rates, which translates to improved image processing, smoother frame rates, and more advanced computational photography techniques. If DJI leverages this power correctly, we could see major upgrades in dynamic range, color accuracy, and low light performance, all happening in real time. One of the biggest benefits of this upgrade could be real-time HDR previews. Imagine being able to see exactly how your footage will look, with all the highlights and shadows properly balanced before you even hit record. This would be a huge step forward, especially for those who shoot in high-contrast environments like bright cityscapes, sunlit beaches, or dimly lit interiors. With real-time HDR processing, creators could adjust their exposure on the fly and avoid blown-out highlights or crushed shadows, ultimately reducing the need for post-production tweaks. Another area where a powerful processor could shine is in noise reduction. Low-light shooting has always been a challenge for small sensor cameras, but with enhanced processing power, the Pocket 4 could apply smarter noise reduction techniques without sacrificing fine details. For content creators, this all boils down to one key advantage: less time spent fixing footage in post-production and more time actually creating. Whether it's reducing the need for color grading, minimizing stabilization fixes, or ensuring the footage is as sharp and well exposed as possible straight out of the camera, a better processor could make the entire workflow faster and more efficient. Battery life is crucial for any portable camera, and DJI seems to be taking it seriously with the Pocket 4. A more efficient power management system could mean not just longer recording times, but also better overall battery longevity, ensuring users can capture more footage without constantly reaching for a charger. While DJI hasn't officially revealed the battery capacity, early rumors suggest it will surpass the Pocket 3's 1,300 mAh battery, which could translate to extended shooting sessions, especially useful for vloggers, travel filmmakers, and anyone who needs reliable performance on the go. Another exciting improvement comes in the form of faster charging. Reports suggest that the Pocket 4 might be able to reach a full charge in just 25 minutes using DJI's PD charger, a noticeable improvement over the Pocket 3's 32-minute charge time. A faster recharge means less downtime and more opportunities to shoot, whether you're out on an adventure or working on a tight production schedule. Heat management is another area where DJI appears to be making strides. One of the biggest concerns with compact cameras is overheating, especially during extended 4K recording sessions. With improved thermal design and more efficient power usage, the Pocket 4 could stay cooler for longer, reducing the risk of shutdowns and allowing creators to film without interruption. This is particularly beneficial for those who shoot high-resolution content or use the camera in warmer environments where overheating can be a real problem. Overall, these battery and charging improvements could make the Pocket 4 a much more reliable tool for content creators, ensuring that users can focus on capturing stunning footage rather than worrying about power limitations. DJI has long been recognized for its industry-leading mechanical stabilization, setting the gold standard for handheld gimbals. But with the Pocket 4, they're expected to take things to an entirely new level by combining this proven technology with advanced electronic stabilization algorithms. This hybrid approach could mean butter-smooth footage in almost any situation, whether you're running through rugged trails, biking down a mountain path, or capturing high-energy action shots in a fast-paced urban environment. The goal? To virtually eliminate micro-jitters and unwanted shakes, creating an effortlessly stable and polished look straight out of the camera. This level of smoothness could rival what's possible with professional-grade stabilizers, making it an invaluable tool for vloggers, filmmakers, and content creators who are always on the move. Additionally, if DJI integrates AI-assisted stabilization, the Pocket 4 might be able to analyze movement patterns in real time and automatically adjust its gimbal response for optimal performance. That means whether you're making quick, unpredictable movements or executing slow, controlled pans, the camera could adapt on the fly to ensure the steadiest shot possible. Of course, with all these upgrades and cutting-edge improvements, a slight price increase is to be expected. According to the latest leaks, the DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to start at around $699 for the standard version, while the Creator Combo, likely bundled with extra accessories like a wireless microphone, wide-angle lens, or an enhanced grip, could be priced at around $799. While that's a bit more than its predecessor, the significant enhancements in image quality, stabilization, and AI-powered features make it a solid investment for content creators, vloggers, and anyone looking for a compact yet powerful camera. As for when we can get our hands on it, reports indicate that DJI is sticking to its usual 3-year release cycle, meaning the Pocket 4 is expected to hit the market in late 2026 or early 2027. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, it's shaping up to be well worth the wait. Given DJI's track record, we can also anticipate some surprise announcements or exclusive early bird deals when the official launch date is revealed. So, if you've been thinking about upgrading, it might be a good idea to start setting aside some cash now. So, there you have it. The top 10 anticipated features of the DJI Pocket 4. If these rumors turn out to be true, this could be the perfect blend of portability and power for content creators. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and reviews.